Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a very common question. Can Android TV boxes and TV sticks upgrade their Android system? Is it like a phone where you just tap Update and get the newest Android version? Part 1. Most devices cannot be upgraded. First, most Android TV boxes and TV sticks cannot be upgraded. The Android version you buy is usually the version you will always have. These devices use factory-made firmware, not OTA updates like smartphones. Part 2. Upgrading is possible, but only in special cases. Are there exceptions? Yes. Upgrading is possible only when the manufacturer creates new firmware for your device. Two conditions must be met. 1. The factory must release firmware for the new Android version. 2. Your device's chipset must support the higher Android version. Part 3. Supported Android versions by popular chipsets. Want to know if your device might be upgradable? Check what chipset it uses. Here are the Android versions supported by common chipsets. If the chipset doesn't support it, upgrading is impossible no matter what. To summarize, most devices cannot be upgraded. Upgrading is possible only if firmware is provided and the chipset supports it. Whether you can upgrade depends on your chipset and your manufacturer. What chipset does your TV box use? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.